Welcome back. Our guest is Shebada, a man who dancehall loves to hate. Our guest right now on stage. So, Shebada, let's go into that because, you know, as we say, dancehall, you are, your character is perceived to be homosexual, gay, and therefore, and hence the stigma. And when you check the music's catalog is loaded with hate and all kinds of slurs and things aimed at you. How do you deal with it?
I'm not going to say that they really hate me, but I mean, if they can use me as prop, they will. Just to let the music sound good and just to gain recognition and hype.
Yes.
The first time I heard a song that said "Bullets in the Face of Shebada," you know, somebody say, hear this. Some youth in the ghetto say, come hear this. Shebada, oh, them attack this boy, you saw. And, you know, they must say, Jesus with it. And I really look back and I say, at first it was frightening, but then I say, no, if them can promote me, that means the overseas people go on know who them attack about. You understand? So I said, no, I would mind two more persons sing, and then I hear other artists started calling my names and selectors in dance. I started saying that, oh, for me to say, you're not sure about them. I said, okay then. I know me I do something. So it was frightening at first, but I really don't take thought.
So you weren't scared?
No.
You see, I'm not going to ask you if you're gay. It's not my place to ask you.
So you can ask me, that's why we're up on stage.
No, well, if you want to tell us, but it's up to you. But the point is, what I want to talk about is how safe it is for you to move around in Jamaica. Do you move around freely?
Just like the first time phone, you hear them say, you're mobile in an analog?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm mobile.
You're mobile?
I'm mobile.
And do you need to have security around you anymore?
No, I have the Holy Spirit.
Yes?
This friend enough, I will not know you guys watching. Yeah, they can't touch me. I'm covered. Like the man in the theater will have some.
Only the Holy Spirit?
Yes.
No fear of people beating on you, attacking you?
I can't fight.
Out of their perception?
I can't fight. I can't defend myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're not afraid of no youth?
No, I'm not afraid of nobody.
But as a youth from the inner city, I want to talk about your upbringing, your roots, where you're from.
All right.
But I still want to ask you, in Jamaica, it is widely believed that Jamaica is the most homophobic place on the planet, and that homosexuals are beaten and attacked all the time. What's your take on that? Is that so?
I believe that one is threatened based on how they perform in public, I must say, or around persons who are against such behavior. You understand me? I mean, a person can be gay and a person can be straight, but they can be friends. But it's how you bring across your behavior to that individual. I mean, because persons do know that other people are gay and, you know, but them not pay them no mind. You understand me? But based on your behavior in front of an individual at the wrong place at the wrong time, you ever hear that saying? Right, I think that is one of the things.
So some people are repulsed by the behavior.
You're right.
They up in your face.
Yeah, dash it in my face.
Pervasive kind of in your face kind of behavior.
Yeah.
But you wouldn't say that Jamaica is the most homophobic place in the world?
Jamaica pretend to be.
As some have
Jamaica pretend to be, because if Jamaica is the most homophobic place in the world, why do we fight for visa to go to these various places where we hear that homosexuality is legal, homosexuality is illegal in these areas, and in these countries? Why do we fight for visa? And it all is a thing that I always ask myself when persons see me and say, Shebada, you're this or you're that. I'm going to say, of course, but if you get a visa now for go to America, you take it and gladly run. Go ride a train with persons who you know. Okay? Because even artists today, they work for promoters who are homosexuals. So you see, I wouldn't say that Jamaica is homophobic, but they pretend to be.
Yes. So you would say to the gay community what about Jamaica? If you were asked by
I have nothing to say to the gay community. I have nothing to say to the straight community. Your business is your business. Their business is their business. I have nothing to say. It is not for me to say. I am not the voice of straight people. I'm not the voice of gay people. I mean, your business is your business.
Okay. Have you ever been attacked?
Several times.
Physically?
No, not physically. Not physically. Not do my that. Not physically.
The boy can't do that.
No, I'm not saying the boy can't do that, but you got to hear about it.
Okay. So the fact that we don't know about it
right.
means that it never happened. So you go dances at these places?
Yeah, I've been to dances, you understand? But I really not like crowd.
Same.
People might see me loud and say I'm ostentatious and stuff like that, but I'm more of an introvert. You understand? So this is what persons don't know about me. I like being in a crowd of friends. I mean, a small crowd of friends, small group of friends, of 8 persons the most. You understand me? That's why I like the ghetto, because you get to be yourself, really. And because I was born in that community, you know, persons know me, so I'm not really a star to them. You understand? I'm just normal. That is what I like.
Do you make a distinction between Keith Ramsey and Shebada?
Yes, and there's a distinction between Shebada and Shebada also.
Shebada, yes, because you were called, your parents named your father, I think,
Shebada.
named you Shebada.
Right.
Why they switched to Shebada?
Because of my knack, you understand? You have a knack and you live in the ghetto, you know, because I act very girly. So people now going to say Shebada, you know, ghetto people, if your name Winston, they might call it
So
Winston.
It's based on your girly ways.
Right, so they just say Shebada, so that is the name I grew with.
Okay.
Right.
And so who's Keith? How do you give me the difference between the two?
Keith is more of a reserved person. You understand me? Keith is the person that you don't mess with because he's going to deal with you professionally. You understand? But Shebada now give you anything.
Okay.
Right.
Who's there now?
Everybody.
The whole Arsenal
for
is on stage right now.
Yeah, because if you're trouble, I'm flip.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm not trouble yet.
No, not yet.
Okay.
More than upon the white people part. The white people know me.
We never give your white people props. All right, sir. I'm sorry about that. And you corrected us. Quite nice. Let's take us into Eastern Kingston, where you're from.
Yes. Franklin Town.
Franklin Town, right?
Right.
Okay, so
Where
you
you
were
want to
born
go
in
from?
Franklin Town.
Yeah.
And raised there.
Yeah.
All right. Talk about your family, size of family, parents, and everything there.
My mother is 3 of us, and my father 35.
35 kids?
Yes. Yeah. And the last one.
You're the last one. Oh, you're the wash belly.
So them same.
For your daddy or for your mom?
For
Last
my
one for
dad and my mom.
you. Okay.
When I like say dad and mom. For my mother and my father.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you talk about school?
Yes, it was Sister Brown's Basic School, Franklin Town Primary, Winona Road, All Age, Clancarty High. Yeah.
What about the siblings? Did you grow up with them?
Yeah, my
Some-
brother
well,
and my
yeah.
sisters, a couple of my sisters, but only one brother I grew up with, Latira. Yeah, but sisters.
How was life growing up?
It did good and it did bad, you know, because my father did have money, you know, until we just go downhill.
Why?
You know, so that's how things go. That's how things go. Sometimes you're up and sometimes you're down. 7 times rise and 7 times fall. But I'm glad I done my fall in them. I make sure to take my fall in them.
So you had some of the good life?
Yeah.
Before the downhill?
I grew up on goat and Irish mash and roots and duck meat and fowl meat. A long time I eat big food, you know.
So you're still in the ghetto? You still live in Franklin Town?
No, I don't live in Franklin Town, but I visit there regular, very regular.
Said. All right, so how do you relate to members of your community in Franklin Town? How do they relate to you?
I never relate to them really, you know, but then them beg me when I have it, I give them when I not have it, I just tell them, so I do have it. Yeah, and sometimes some of them go like they want to fix me. I mean, if I dress them.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, God. They're not white people, are your parents.
No, sir.
You don't know fix. Them go like they want to do you up. They want to cuss you for your things.
Yes.
So you have to done them.
Yes? So you're constantly facing that in your, your
Yeah.
own community?
Yeah. Can you understand? Ghetto people stay once they can't give them it.
Yeah.
You understand me? They go like they want to fix it. So I just tell them, say, you never send me go shop yet. I'm going to come back with your change, so I don't owe you nothing.
So do they give you, them give you your props?
Yeah, them give me props.
Them rate you as
Yeah, man.
as a community hero?
Hero.
Yeah.
Them not fight for them.
Superstar.
That's why I pop up my
Shebada.
gun about my business.
Eh?
That's why I pop up in their community, I'm not going about my business.
Yeah.
Them
it's
fight
good.
them one, I call and say, everything cool long, them say, yeah, I come back.
You know that?
No, I'm not fight them, I'm not help them fight. I can't bother with that, Mr. Winston. I'm tired. Can't bother with that.
I hear you voice some tunes, at you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what happened to them?
They're there. Somebody holding me back. The person who came into the studio holding on the songs.
Also,
Yeah, man.
the producer?
Another producer, the person I want to call them name, but I don't want them lay with me. Yeah, them holding on the tune. And the songs are good.
Why?
Them say them don't want to throw me out in the public, so them don't want to make so much money yet.
Because them tune are big tune, you say?
Them big, you see.
What are you doing? Singing?
Me a DJ.
A DJ?
Me a rap.
Yeah?
Me a sing little.
Say?
Yeah.
They want
Yeah,
drop,
me say
all right,
sing
drop a
little.
line for me. We could get around him right
You
now.
know,
Drop
say
something right
funny,
now.
you know, say funny enough. It's use. You want to use me.
No, we just want to hear you. We want to hear if you're,
All right.
you're
that one,
legit.
First, you have one them called How are you? It name How are you? How are you? Boo boo. How are you? If you ever get a poodle, how are you? Man, how are you? How are you? You smell like.
That can't,
It can work.
it can't work for TV.
No, it can't work for TV.
Not primetime TV.
No, we have the clean version.
You have the clean version?
And what next one we say for all of the hot girls there, you say it called hooked up straight up with the bang to the side, but she want to take him. Oh, she's so bright. Have a bit, and I go like she hype. Oh, and she, I must parasite. Yeah. So she said, me I go bust it up on them. So when the artists and the selector them in a dance and I want to play my song, I will drive with my vehicle and play it, make everybody hear.
Okay. You just load it into your car
And play it.
and load it
So it's
up.
going to be sound clash.
Well, sir, I leave that to the producers and the experts in the music too.
So as I start talk about music, so you get
judge,
an easy.
to judge yourself.
You get an easy.
No judgment, sir.
I'm going to write a song about you then.
No, Ramsey, sir. Congratulations on your work.
Yes, sir.
And we look forward to that series coming to
Wait, name.
CDM TV. Shebada at large.
In charge.
In charge.
You got it long time.
Shebada, long time. Shebada in charge, right here on CVM television in all Jamaica. Are you looking to go overseas with it too?
Silver screen. You know, so you fight me. Like.
No, I mean, if you
No,
want the series to be broadcast
you
in other
ask me
markets.
the different things. I mean, you what like say you want time up. Yeah, immigration?
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay.
Thanks for coming through and talking to us. And all the best, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, there you have it right here on stage. Shebada. Winfred Williams, on behalf of all of us, thanking you for joining us. You'll join us again next week for more on stage.